How to fix Supercell ID verification code not received on email. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be guiding you through on how you can fix your Supercell ID verification code not being received on email or your Gmail, even though you already get to the process where you should be already receiving a verification code. So if you're having that issue and you're not able to be receiving the verification code from Gmail, these are the process you may follow up and you should be able to do that. So first thing first, check up to the email where you should be receiving your email address, the one where your account is linked, your Supercell ID is linked. After that, head over to the menu bar at the top left corner and head over to the spam section. Because usually what happens is if you have received any email and if it is already sent over to the spam section, you won't be receiving any kind of notification if you have received any kind of email in the spam. So look up to the spam if you have any kind of verification email here, and if that is not, then you can go ahead and clear the cache of your Gmail application. Go ahead and tap on the menu tree info section, and after that head over to the storage and clear the cache of that particular app. And after that is done, also update your app to the latest version, because that may be the issue why you are getting some kind of bugs at that moment. So go ahead and update if there is any kind of update available for that particular application. The next thing we can do is head over to the Supercell support team. For that, you may directly head over from the game you are playing and head over to the support section by going to the settings and support. And otherwise, you can directly head over to the browser as well and type in support.supercell.com. And here you just need to type in your login details. After that, explain your issue, why that you are not receiving any kind of verification code, and then Supercell certifies your issue, and this should help you fix your issue of you not being able to get any OTP code. So these are the processes you may follow up, and you should be able to fix those issues by following this method. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.